Without any further ado, let's welcome Eddie, Mike, and Dave on camera to share more about EBITDA Growth Systems and how they can help you become more profitable.
We talk about partnerships every single day here in the manufacturing industry, and even Greg himself said earlier, some of the best partners in the entire industry. And here with me is no exception to that specific rule. We have Mike and Dave, the co-principals and co-founders of EBITDA Growth Systems. First and foremost, gentlemen, how are we doing on this fine day at IMTS?
It's a wonderful day.
Man, it's good, man. We love this. We love this show. Fantastic. Over 100,000 people walking this show, seeing all kinds of equipment, software, and offerings. Man, this is awesome.
There we go, fantastic. Now, for individuals who may be living under a rock or haven't checked their social media in the last year and haven't bumped into you and seen all the wonderful noise we're making, why don't we dive into who is EBITDA Growth Systems and what are you doing for the manufacturing industry?
EBITDA Growth Systems is a series of professionals that work in manufacturing only. And what we do is we provide business coaching and fractional accounting, fractional CFO, fractional bookkeeping, and we do a lot of education and training for people as well.
Makes a ton of sense, providing lots of value to people across the industry. But I also know back into that partnerships conversation, something you all take very seriously, and that's why you're very, very strategic about who it is you're spending the time with and who you're collaborating with. So can we dive a little bit more to this partnership with Datanomix and what impact you're having directly on the industry?
Well, I'll tell you that we have a Shop Rescues, a series that our second Shop Rescue series. And just as they say it takes a village to raise a child, it takes a community of like-minded firms to help small to medium-sized manufacturers move in the direction they need to be in. And our relationship with Datanomix is huge. We're able to get metrics out of their software to help us increase the profitability of the companies that we target, and for our Shop Rescue company, turning them around, metrics are key. Gross margin is where we start.
Absolutely, with our mission being to impact lives through improving business performance, and Datanomix to have somebody like Greg driving a bus with a fantastic crew of people that want to make big impacts on people, this is a very easy partnership to have.
There you go. Very much so. And then lastly, what excites you the most about the work that you're doing together in the industry?
Oh man, Greg and I got on stage yesterday and we were talking about gross margin and how employees contribute to gross margin and how that creates profit. And what we find a lot of shops not digging into spindle utilization. There's a big gap there. And so the more spindle utilization you get into, the more utilization gaps you can analyze, you really bubble up more and more profit. So like Mike said, we have this software that talks to our financial model, and it's a revenue efficiency model. It's really awesome.
Please add.
Yeah, with Datanomix, there's some big rocks that you can move to increase.
Sorry guys, have you tried shop floor coffee? Shop floor coffee?
Yeah, shop floor coffee.
Yeah. Man, that's fantastic.
I love it.